Welcome to SomeGuy's Garage. It's Tool Test Tuesday, and today we're going to take a look at the BTMeter BT-100 Pro Anemometer. So first we'll take a quick look at how it works. Takes two AAA batteries in the back, power to turn it on. Once it's on, there's a backlight. You can turn the backlight on and off with that button and show in Celsius or Fahrenheit the temperature. Units again with the wind speed, so we have meters a second, kilometers an hour, feet per minute, knots, and miles per hour. And then it does have a min and max hold, so we can see the top and bottom wind speeds that we do get. And pretty simple once there's a wind, I'm just going to blow through it. You can see that we get a reading pretty quickly, and as it slows back down, the reading drops off. Alright, so let's just take a look at how this works. I've got a little computer fan here hooked up to a power supply. I'll just turn that on now. And so we can take a look here as it comes up to speed. And so we can take a look here as it comes up to speed. We're getting 4.6, 6.1, 6.4. If we get that a little more direct into the airflow here, picks up a bit more speed, 7, 7.5. So we're gonna make a little bit of noise and turn the fan up really high. So as you can see, it just moves. Just ate itself. Fan up really high here, and getting almost a little bit over 20 kilometers. So yeah, pretty straightforward. We'll try again here, and we'll just put the max setting on and see what the highest we can get out of it is. So it looks like we were able to get up to about 37 kilometers an hour. Pretty quick, and it seems like it still had a lot more to go, just can't get any faster with this fan. So finally, we're going to score the BTMeter Anemometer. So that's the BTMeter BT-100 Anemometer. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.